Hello and welcome to Salzburg. My name is Gerhard. I'm the founder of the free walking tour Salzburg, the first and so far only free walking. Like most places, Salzburg is locked down because of the coronavirus. Hotels are closed. Very strange because in Salzburg we have 6 million tourists a year. Salzburg was chosen by the Lonely Planet the #1 city to visit in 2020. Also in Salzburg the locals had a discussion about over-tourism. Well, over-tourism is over now, there are no more people visiting. By making this video I want to say thank you to everyone who visited, who joined my tours, to everyone who was planning to do a tour with me in 2020. I'm waiting for things to get back to normal. If you were planning a trip to Salzburg and you had to postpone it now or cancel it, I'm sorry. Whenever you're coming to Salzburg in the future, whenever things go back to normal, you can be sure that I'm here waiting. In the meantime, I will try to be as useful as possible. I will try to make videos on this YouTube channel. If you sometimes want to get to know about Salzburg, subscribe to the channel. We're not allowed to go outside. We're all self-isolating, but I'm right in the middle of the old town and I will try to come up with ideas. Well, if you want to talk to me, I'm available at the moment anytime. You can WhatsApp me. You find my WhatsApp on the website for the free walking tours. I will link the website for the free walking tours in the description below. You can send me an email, you can comment on this video. I hope to see you as soon as possible. I hope you stay safe, stay healthy, stay positive. I think it's important to stay positive, especially in a time of crisis.